welcoming everyone to the music session of the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. So once again we have Sir Danish with us. So sir, how are you?
Yes, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also fine, sir.
Okay, so good morning students.
Good morning.
How are you all? I hope you all are very happy and safe at your places. Myself Danish Arif and I am from the Orchid School. This is a music session and in this session we are going to learn
3 poems.
3 poems. So can you tell me the names?
Yes sir. So first of all we are learning Roly Poly.
Roly Poly.
Then the Urdu poem Aloo Miyan.
Aloo Miyan.
And the last one is put your right hand in, put your right
Do
hand
the
out.
boogie woogie song.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, I hope you all are ready. So let's start it from
Okay. The first
Roly
poem.
Poly.
Okay.
Come on, say with me. Roly poly,
Up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down.
Again.
Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down.
Roly poly, to your left side.
Roly poly,
to your right side. Roly poly, to your left side. Roly poly, to your right side. Now do it with actions.
Okay.
Okay. I hope कि आपको lyrics याद हो गए हैं इसके. तो क्यों ना अब हम with actions.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, to your left side. Roly poly, to your right side.
That's great. Come on, clap for yourself. Wonderful. Okay, now let's do with
The rhythm.
rhythm. One, two, three, four.
Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, to your left side. Roly poly, to your right side.
Again.
Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, to your left side. Roly poly, to your right side.
Okay, that's great. I hope कि ये वाली song आपको याद हो चुके हैं. तो क्यों ना अब हम नया song सीखें एक और?
Yes, sure.
The Urdu one.
Aloo Miyan.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए
गए
थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में
सो रहे
थे. Come on. Say with me. आलू
मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे.
Again from the beginning.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे.
Right, nice. Now do it with actions.
Okay.
Okay. आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे. Yeah, we can say हंस रहे थे like this.
Okay.
Again. 1, 2, 3, start.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे.
मटर
में से कीड़ा निकला डर गए थे. कीड़े ने भाव किया भाग गए थे.
कीड़े ने
भाव किया भाग गए
That's
थे.
good. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. Now it's time to sing with
Rhythm.
So guys, are you all ready to sing with rhythm?
Yes sir, we all are ready.
Great. One, two, three, four.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे.
Again.
आलू मियाँ कहाँ गए थे? सब्जी की टोकरी में सो रहे थे. बैंगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे. गाजर ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे, मटर में से खीरा निकला डर गए थे, खीरे ने भाव किया भाग गए थे, मटर में से खीरा निकला डर गए थे, खीरे ने भाव किया भाग गए थे।
Wow, that's great. I hope कि ये वाली song भी done हो चुका है हमारा.
Yes,
So
sir.
how many songs we have done till?
2.
2 songs. The first one is
Roly Poly
Roly Poly. The second one
and
is
Aloo Mia.
Aloo Mia No. It's time to sing
This last song.
the last song,
Boogie
Boogie Woogie
Woogie.
song. Okay, so wait, say with me. Put your left hand in.
In, put
Yeah.
your left hand
Put
in.
your left hand in. Put your left hand out. Put your left hand in. And shake it all about.
And shake it all about.
Do the boogie woogie.
Do the boogie woogie.
And turn yourself around.
And turn yourself around.
And turn yourself around.
And turn yourself around.
That's what's all about.
That's what's all about.
Okay, now can you sing it?
Yes, sir.
Come on, sing it.
Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, turn yourself around, and that's what's all about.
Again. Okay, Alisha, can you sing it by yourself now?
Yes, sir, I
Okay,
can.
first in,
Okay.
then out, then in, then
shake
shake
it
it all about.
Do the boogie
Do the boogie woogie.
and turn yourself
Turn
around.
yourself around.
And
That's
that's
what's
what's
all about. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what's all about.
Wow, that's great. Now the right one.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what's all about.
Wow, that's great. Now it's time to the left foot.
Foot.
Okay?
Okay.
Put your left foot in, put your left foot out, put your left in. Okay?
Okay.
Now, 1, 2, 3.
Put your left foot in, put your left foot out, put your left foot in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what's all about.
Wow, that's great. Now it's time to
Right.
right one. Okay, so guys, are you all ready for this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 1, 2, 3.
Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in, and shake it all about, and do the boogie woogie, and turn yourself around, and that's what's all about.
Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. You sing very nice, Alisha.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so guys, हमने आज कितनी rhymes sing की हैं?
3.
3 poems. Today we have learned
3 poems.
3 poems. The first one is
Roly Poly,
Roly Poly,
Aloo Mia,
Aloo Mia,
and Boogie Woogie
Boogie
song.
Woogie. I hope कि आज के सेशन में आप लोगों को बहुत enjoy किया होगा आपने.
Yes, sir, because I enjoyed a lot. And don't forget to give us your feedback. Until then, let's move on towards our next session.
Hello everybody, how are you all today? And welcome to the Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Welcome back to our little library. I hope you missed me because I missed you all too. So, can you all guess what today's story is about? First of all, tell me, do you all know what a farmer is? A farmer is somebody who grows vegetables and fruits for us, and then we eat those. So we should all be very thankful to our farmers. Okay? So the book today that we're going to read is related to a farmer. It's a farmer's story. क्या हुआ इस स्टोरी में अभी हम देखते हैं. The name of the storybook is The Goose That Laid Golden Eggs. ऐसा goose जो कि गोल्डन एग्स यानी सोने के अंडे देता था. आपके पास है ऐसा गूस? नहीं, ऐसा गूस कम होता है. The goose that laid golden eggs. Once upon a time, there was a very poor farmer, and the poor farmer lived in a village with her wife. The farmer sold vegetables and fruits, and that is how he used to earn money. One day, in exchange of some fruits and vegetables, somebody gave farmer a goose. क्या हुआ एक दिन farmer जो है वो फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स सोल्ड करके पैसे कमाता था। एक दिन किसी बंदे ने उसको वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट्स के बदले में एक गूस दिया। कैन यू ऑल सी द गूस? हियर इज द गूस। The farmer was very happy with the goose and he kept the goose in barn. कहाँ रहता है goose? The goose stays in a barn. The next morning, the farmer went into the barn to collect the goose egg. वो barn में गया ताकि वो goose का egg ले सके। और वो goose के egg से क्या करता? वो उसको breakfast में खाता। Do you eat eggs in breakfast too? Like the farmer? Yes. To his surprise, the goose had not laid a white egg. Instead, he laid a golden egg. क्या देखा फार्मर ने कि गूस ने कोई वाइट एग नहीं दिया हुआ था, बल्कि गूस ने एक गोल्डन एग दिया हुआ था, सोने का अंडा। The farmer was very happy. वो जल्दी से गोल्डन एग लेकर घर आया। He came home with the golden egg and he showed it to his wife. His wife was very happy. Can you see the happy farmer and the happy wife? And can you all see the golden egg? Yes. The farmer then sold the golden egg and he got lots of money for it. And they grew rich. क्या हुआ फिर? फार्मर ने गोल्डन वाला जो एग था उसको सेल कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से उसको बहुत सारे गोल्ड कॉइन्स मिले और वो फार्मर बहुत रिच हो गया। Slowly the farmer and his wife became very rich. Then every day the goose used to lay one golden egg and the farmer used to sell the egg and get more money. क्या होता था? गूज रोज एक सोने का अंडा देता था। जब फार्मर सुबह बार्न पे जाता था तो गूज ने रोज सुबह एक सोने का अंडा दिया हुआ होता था। एंड द फार्मर वुड सेल दैट एग टू गेट सो मच मनी। देन वन डे द फार्मर्स वाइफ गॉट एन आइडिया। शी गॉट ग्रीडी। वो लालची हो गई और उसको आइडिया क्या आया? जस्ट थिंक, इफ वी कट द गूज one time, we can get all the eggs today and we can get rich much faster, said the farmer's wife. क्या कहा फार्मर की वाइफ ने? उसने कहा कि अगर हम गूस को मार देंगे तो हमको सारे अंडे एक साथ ही मिल जाएंगे, फिर हमको रोज़ एक अंडे के लिए वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा। तो हम गूस को काट देंगे तो हमको सारे अंडे एक साथ मिल जाएंगे और फिर हम बहुत जल्दी बहुत अमीर हो जाएंगे। The farmer liked the idea. The next morning, the farmer took a knife and he went to the barn to cut the goose. But after he killed the goose and cut her open, he saw that there were no golden eggs inside the goose. And the goose was just like any other normal goose. क्या देखा फार्मर ने? जब फार्मर ने सुबह छुरी से गूस को कट किया तो उसने देखा कि गूस के अंदर तो एग्स थे ही नहीं, उसके अंदर कोई गोल्डन एग्स नहीं थे और वो तो एक नॉर्मल गूस जैसा था। The farmer was very sad. Can you tell me why? फार्मर क्यों सैड था? Because the goose had died. He killed the goose. And now the goose will not lay one golden egg every day. अब गूस वन गोल्डन एग रोज नहीं देगी क्योंकि वो मर गई है, तो फार्मर वापस से पुअर हो जाएगा। Can you all see the goose? It's dead now. And the farmer and his wife, they are both very sad and they're crying because they have no more goose and they have no more golden eggs. They had killed the goose and now they will not be rich anymore. They are so sad. The end. So I hope you enjoyed this story today and we'll see you soon again, inshallah ta'ala. Bye bye.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well.
Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School, and this is your teacher Navi, and we are going to learn about knowledge and understanding of the world. Today we are going to talk about animals. What animals do you know? आपको lion पता है कौन है? Lion is the king of the jungle. And who is a monkey? 5 little monkeys jumping on a bat. Monkey also lives on the tree. But you know, animals are categorized by wild, farm, pet. कुछ animals होते हैं जो wild animals होते हैं. What are wild animals? The animals which are danger, who lives in the jungle. You cannot keep them at home, and few are very cute and small, and we can keep them at home, and we call them pet animals. What do we call them? Pet animals. And few of animal lives in the farm. Or farm animals कौन से होते हैं? You know that? It's okay. We learn today. Okay? I have few animals with me, but these are only not the animals. We have more animals in the world. So we are going to talk about them. So let's start. First of all, we are going to talk about wild animals. अभी टीचर ने आपको बताया what are wild animals? Wild animals lives in the jungle. We cannot keep them at home. For example, giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. Why do we call giraffe a wild animal? Because giraffe has long neck. Can you see this neck? A giraffe has a long neck. It's a very tall animal, and we don't have a space at home. Do you have that much space? नहीं है ना, छत पे लगेगा. So we cannot keep giraffe at home, in the home. What is this? It has a big ear and a long trunk. Which animal is it? This is an elephant. Elephant is very heavy and big. Elephant is very big, heavy and big. तो आप उस elephant को घर पे रख सकते हैं? No, because that animal will not get place to walk, right? Now it's a tiger. Tiger run very fast. It's the fastest animal. But you know what? It's a wild animal. He can eat you. It can eat you. Same goes with lion. Who is the lion? Lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the king of the jungle. And when lion and tigers are hungry, what they will do? They might hunt you. वो आपको भी खा जाएंगे, क्योंकि जब वो भूखे होते हैं, उनकी टमी में कुछ नहीं होता है, तो they are finding their friends to eat. वो अपने friends को ढूंढते हैं खाने के लिए, और अगर आपके उनके पेट में जगह होगी तो वो आपको भी खा जाएंगे. ठीक है? So these are wild animals. Now let's move on to pet animal. Animals. These animals are those animals whom we can keep at home. हम उनको घर पे रख सकते हैं. म्याऊ. ये कौन सा animal है? Cat. इसके बहुत प्यारे प्यारे से फर भी होते हैं. म्याऊ म्याऊ करके यहाँ वहाँ भागती है, तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि घर में कैच आ गई है ना? तो आप उसको घर पे भी रख सकते हैं. और कैट को क्या पसंद है खाने में? Milk and fish. Yes. And which animal is it? It says woof woof. Which animal is it? It's a dog. Yes, it's a dog. And dog is also a pet animal. One more we have. It has a big ear and it's hop very fast. This is a rabbit. So rabbit, cat, dog. Even you can keep small fish in your aquarium. If you have aquarium, you can keep small fish at your home. These all are pet animals. These all are pet animals. Now, I have hen, I have a horse, and I have a cow. You know what animals they call? They call farm animals. Very good. Do you heard that song? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O, with a cuckoo here and the cuckoo there, here coo, there coo, everywhere cuckoo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some horse, E-I-E-I-O, with a nana here and the nana there, here na, there na, everywhere na. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and the moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. See, we have a poem regarding farm animals. So today we learn wild animals, pet animals, these are pet animals, and farm animals. And cow is also a farm animal as well as goat is also the farm animal. Okay, now there is a question for you. I am going to ask you 2 questions. From them I am going to answer one and the other you have to answer. Okay. I have 4 legs. ठीक है, वो animals जिसके 4 legs होते हैं. I have fur and I say meow. What animal is that? कौन सा animal है? Well done. It's a cat. It's a cat. Very good. Now another is question from me. It's a riddle and you have to answer me. Okay, you have to think, listen, think and then answer. I live in the kennel. I am an animal and I say woof woof. अब ये कौन सा एनिमल है ये आप बताएंगे, ठीक है, और अपने कमेंट में लिखकर बताएंगे. Okay, so how was today's segment? What we have learned today? We have learned wild animal, we have learned pet animal and we have learned farm animal. And let me tell you what was our riddle of today. The riddle was, I live in a kennel, I am an animal and I says woof woof. You have to write your comment, okay, your answer in the comment. So here is the last segment of our fun and run with the Orchid School. I hope that you enjoyed a lot in this whole segment. हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी, हमने लैंग्वेज भी सीखी, हमने फोनियम्स भी सीखे, हमने कॉन्सेप्ट्स भी सीखे, नंबर्स भी सीखे, and we learned stories, we heard about stories, we learned music, we learned many kind of art as well. आपको इस सेगमेंट में सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा, आप वो कमेंट करके हमको बताएंगे. And now it's time to say bye bye to you all. I love you all and I'm going to miss you all. And take care of yourself. Have a blessed Eid. आप सब अपना भी ख्याल रखिएगा और घर वालों का भी ख्याल रखिएगा. ओके जी, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टाटा, बाय बाय.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to the art session of the Funland with the Orchid School. So once again I'm here with a very talented arts teacher, Sir Mushtaq with me.
Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you will be fine at your home. Hello Alicia, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm great, how are you?
I'm very much fine.
So thank you so much for all your comments and requests. और आज आपकी ही request पे हम फिर से paper lantern की reinforcement कर रहे हैं, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So guys, this kind of paper lantern we need some card sheet. Without wasting our time,
Yes.
हम card sheets show कर देते हैं. I'm checking green one,
And the purple one.
purple one, and
Red.
red. And we need
Scale, of
scale.
course.
We need
Sharp scissor.
sharp scissor, and we need very important
Paper cutter.
Paper cutter. Whenever you use this kind of paper cutter, you should be very
Yes.
careful. So, should I start?
Yes sir, let's start.
Okay, now first I am going to take this green color of card sheet.
Okay.
Now, अब मैं इस green color के card sheets को क्या करूँगा, एक cylinder बना दूँगा, roll.
Okay.
ठीक है? Like this. ऐसे. Done?
Okay.
अच्छा, तो इसके लिए पहले मैं आपको साइज़ बता दूं. इस सिलेंडर के लिए इस पेपर का जो मैंने साइज़ लिया है वो लिया है ऑलमोस्ट 20 सेंटीमीटर by 30 centimeter.
Okay.
20 centimeter by
30
30 centimeter. ठीक है, 20 centimeter it's a height.
Okay. So we are shaping this in a cylinder.
Yes,
Okay.
by using this hot glue gun, and you should be very careful
Yes.
whenever you use
Hot
this
glue gun.
hot glue gun. Now the first step is
Done.
ready
Okay.
and done. Now
Let's
the
move on
cylinder
towards
is
our next step.
ready. Now for the next step, I'm taking a purple sheet.
Okay.
Now I have to draw the line of 1 inches from the bottom and from the top.
Okay. 1 inches, right?
Only 1 inches.
Okay.
Then I'm taking a board, a cutting board, because I have to cut.
We are using a cutter, that's why.
Yes.
Okay.
Now I'll cut
Stripes.
stripe like this.
So the cutting part is done.
The cutting part is
Done.
done. Now the next step is I have to
Fold
paste it
Okay, you're gonna paste it.
over here.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, done. By using
Hot glue gun.
hot glue gun. Like this.
Okay.
So का जो एक्स्ट्रा है उसे हम कट कर देंगे by using sharp
scissor.
scissor. Now so I have done.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now अब हम इसके टॉपर पोजीशन और बॉटम पोजीशन है उस पर हम क्या करेंगे,
We're gonna stick the borders.
स्टिक बॉर्डर्स स्टिक लगा देंगे, लेकिन स्टिक से पहले हम इसके जो हैंगिंग पार्ट है वो लगा देंगे लाइक दिस. हम इसे थोड़ा सा, ये बहुत बड़ा है, हम इसे थोड़ा सा छोटा कर लेते हैं. एंड आई विल यूज
Stapler.
स्टेपलर. डू यू हैव स्टेपलर?
Yes, sir, I have it.
प्लीज गिव इट टू मी. By using the stapler, I will staple over here like this, and
For the handle, right?
yes, for the handle. Thank you, Alisha.
Welcome, sir.
Now, अब हम इसके टॉप और बॉटम को डेकोरेट कर देते हैं
With
by using
borders.
this red strip.
Okay.
रेड स्ट्रिप्स के लिए हम वही ग्लू यूज करेंगे.
To make it look more stylish,
Yes,
right?
yes, 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 yes. You can use black for the borders. You can
Yes.
use green for the borders.
Any color combination you
Yes,
like.
yes, 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 yes. And my very famous line, it's totally up to you.
Yes.
Same position
Okay.
for the
Bottom border.
bottom border.
Okay.
Now it's done.
Yeah, it's done. So you guys can totally figure out कि sir ने हमें new design सिखाया है, and sir thank you so much for all your efforts and
Thank you.
I enjoyed all this session. I hope कि आपको भी बहुत सारे sessions पसंद आएंगे and stay safe, stay at your home.
एंड जैसे कि आपको पता है अलीशा कल ईद है
Yes, sir.
है ना, तो हम ये चाहेंगे कि आप लोग प्लीज़ अपने घर पे सेफ
Yes.
रहें और इंजॉय करें, बट प्लीज़ SOPs का ख्याल रखें. टिल देन, बाय बाय.
Love is.